Hey everybody, Movie Trollop here, welcome back. It's been a long time since I was sitting here with makeup, and oh my god, if you hear all the sounds and you start to wobble a little bit, it's because there are two kittens in here who are unhinged. Unhinged. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Beautylish Lucky Box for this year, for 2019. Alright, so, cutting this bad boy away from me, like so. A lucky box. This lucky box from Beautylish is something that they do every year. It's a Japanese tradition to bring luck into the new year, and it's basically what I think of it as is a de-stash of all of the extra stuff that they didn't kind of sell throughout the year. I know that's not how it's marketed, but here we go. Oh, it's got such a pretty little tag on it. It's so pretty. Seal came already broken. Let's hop in. All right, first thing we're taking out is this big chunk with some stuff already coming out. We have coming soon to Beautylish Super Peptide Serum from Good Molecules. It's got a little dropper. Ooh, it's got a neat. Formulated with tripeptides, target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Ooh, ah. And the box says nothing. I can't give you a rundown on that. We have the Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. It's pretty. I don't know what the hell it is. Is it hair? It's like hairspray? I guess it's for hair. It's for hair. Yay. Next, we have a Wayne Goss brush. Ooh, it's pretty. Ooh, it looks like my cat. Has no information on what kind of brush, but it looks like that. It's like flat. Next is Hourglass. This guy is an extreme lash mascara, which is great because my current mascara sucks. It's metal. Oh, it's the most fancy shit in the world. It's heavy. It's ridiculous. It's a mascara. It smells like mascara. Don't know what I was expecting, but definitely mascara. We've got a thing from Jouer, which last year we also got, and the things from Jouer I didn't think I was that excited about until I used them, and then I was like, oh my god, so magical, beautiful. But this is it looks like it's another holiday collection. Best of Metallics lip cream collection. I don't know. Oh my god, they're little babies. Look at the precious little babies. It's so tiny. Look at it. So oh. I mean, if I'd paid for this, I'd be mad. Shway. Doe foot. Pretty straightforward. Ooh, it smells real good. Smells like a vanilla sort of cakey kind of smell. Actually, while I'm swatching these look really nice. I think I'll actually get use out of these. I didn't think I was going to, but these are lovely. These are the 6 colors. They are kind of a moussey texture. They actually smell great and they're on my nose. Oh yeah. It's my brand. Sexing up YouTube since I don't know when. But yeah, these are real pretty. Probably gonna use these, which is a nice surprise because I didn't think I was going to. Next item, we have, ladies, gentle people, we have something from Natasha Denona, which is very exciting. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the most expensive in the world. All right, so this is the Camel palette, which is neutrals. Look, it doesn't even want to focus on it because it's neutrals. It's the Camel palette from Natasha Denona. This is beautiful right here. Bacao, bacao, bacao. Ooh, they feel nice. Let's do a little of this. A little bit of this. That's powder. wish that this was a color instead of just the camel palette, but you know, I can use it. These aren't even really the neutral shades that I like, so it's kind of a bummer, but it's pretty. Packaging is very heavy. This guy is, like, I don't know, it's got like a weird, I like it. I like the packaging, it's really nice. Is that it? You guys, that's it. That's what I got. I mean, items that I'm most excited about in this. I like the brush. Can set my concealer with it. Feels like my cat. These might work out. I wish that they were bigger than my mouth. This, I could have been really excited about this had it been any other Natasha Denona palette. The paper's cute. What have we learned today? We've learned that mystery boxes are dumb and rarely pay off the way you'd like them to. We've learned that hair products thrill me. Nothing's bigger than... Do you guys understand why I'm little? Let's test it. Should we test it? Let's see if the spray. No, let's give it another try. Oh, ooh, it's good. Oh, if that gets on my lens. Ooh, it smells real good. Okay, this smells good. It doesn't feel like hairspray. It feels like a mist, like a face mist. Let me spray it on my hand. This is for heat styling on 2-day hair. I mean, I hope that this video gets some views. So that was the Beautylish box. And it was a thing. The real bonus to this whole experience is that I didn't spend on the $175 one or whatever it was. That's good. Okay, what I will say, there's not a pot of useless goo in here. Hey, step up from last year. Last year I got that useless slimy goo stuff that didn't do anything, that I got chastised in the comments for not liking. But it literally was, I just tried to use it for so long and it was just garbage. It looked like Vaseline. It was just garbage. This looks promising. I mean, you know, I can always use a serum. I'm old, getting older, certainly not getting younger. So yeah, serum sounds interesting. It's $75 worth of stuff. Is it $75 worth of stuff that I'm super excited about? No. Am I glad that I got this instead of like something from like an Anastasia 50 Shades of Grey Beverly Hills palette? Yes, because those suck. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like them. I mean, am I glad I got a Natasha Denona because that's what I wanted really, really bad to try? Yes. And no, because what am I going to do with this? This is not, there's not even a gold in here. I can't even use it for like gold purposes. And you're going to say, oh, it looks like your eyelashes or your eye makeup. No, these are pinks. These are pinks on my skin that do this. When this goes on my skin, it just looks like jaundice. It's terrible. With all of that said, I did prices on those things. Which brings us to a total of $139. I'm not counting this because it seems like this was supposed to be a promotional instead of in the cost of the bag. This also isn't on the website yet, so can't get the price. And this guy I'm not counting because this is a sample size. The small travel size of this is 1.97 ounces. This is 1.7 ounces. So I couldn't get a price. That is, so the box was supposed to be 120 plus worth of product. So you can make the argument, and it would be just and honest and right that I did get what I paid for. $48 for 5 neutral eyeshadows. One more time, because it bears repeating. It bears repeating, it really does. This, $48 for just those. Y'all y'all Natasha Denona stands are insane. Y'all are nuts. Y'all are certifiable. What is this? You guys are gonna be so mad at me in the comments. I'm so sorry that but it's $48. I don't know, and they feel nice, but they feel fine. Like, they don't feel like great, they feel fine. Okay, that'll do, pig, that'll do. And I won't, I won't turn away a mascara. $29 mascara, possibly. What? 3 months, what? It's like, ooh, oh, what? Thank you guys for watching, being great, green, groovy, being you, and enjoy your ness like I enjoy your ness. Mushiness. Alright, bye guys. Cheap ass out. Wolf make me kick get the cats. Shit, I don't even know how to do this. Okay. 3. Okay. Nope, don't like it. Guys! You guys? Okay. Okay. My nails. Oh, I have paint under my nails. Try to clean up my nails. It just looks like I'm digging in my own butthole. Paint. The glorious paint. Okay. Let's get them out of this room. Okay. A lucky box is so that you can, it's a, shut up. This is a thing that is Japanese. I don't know what it is. Stop trying to jump in this box. Real quick. This is one of the little, ooh, girl, come here right now. All right. These are the little assholes who are now going into another room. Because they've knocked down my camera twice now. I don't want to kill them, I love them. I love them, you guys. I love them. Alright, let me put these guys up. Goodbye, be free. So, final thoughts. Sure was a box full of stuff. Feels just like my cats. It's a little unnerving. I've said that like 4 times. I don't know if it's staying in the video, but I can't stop saying, oh my god, it feels just like my cat. I don't know what I'm saying. Happy to be back. Hope to see you guys soon. Tell me what. I don't know what I'm doing. Who am I? I've been on the internet for so long. My videos have not gotten any better. Help. Send help.